Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can check the places you have visited on Snapchat. But first I wanted to say that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I will show you my YouTube revenue statistics. So let's start. First, go to your Snapchat. After that, click on your profile. After that, click on the settings, scroll down, and here you can see the account actions section, the places, and here it says that use places I've tagged in my story posts or favorited to recommended places to friends. So here you can select this option, and here is the clear top locations, and it says that this resets the list of places you visited the most, which we use for map, action, emoji, and more. So here will appear the places you have visited, but I haven't visited any places, so it doesn't appear the list of places, but if you did, then you will have a list here. So thank you for your attention. Bye bye.